Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this video tutorial we will discuss MDCAT test 2025 chemistry MCQs quick revision part 2nd. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। ग्लूकोज इज़ अ डिश। ऑप्शन ए प्रोटीन, बी डाइसेकेराइड, सी न्यूक्लिक एसिड एंड ऑप्शन डी मोनोसेकेराइड। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी मोनोसेकेराइड. Explanation is glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate and cannot be hydrolyzed into smaller unit. So it is a basic building block for more complex carbohydrates. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Animals store glucose in the form of option A amylase, B glycogen, C glycerol and option D guanine. So the correct option is B glycogen. As mentioned previously, the glycogen is the storage form of glucose in animals, primarily in the liver and muscles. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. The simplest carbohydrate is dash. Option A glyceraldehyde, B glucose, C fructose and option D dihydroxyacetone. So the correct option is D dihydroxyacetone. Explanation is glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone are the simplest carbohydrates, each containing 3 carbon atoms. Maltose is a disaccharide of dash. Option A glucose and galactose, B glucose and glucose, C glucose and lactose and option D fructose and lactose. So the correct option is B glucose and glucose. Explanation is maltose is a disaccharide formed by the condensation of 2 glucose molecules linked by an alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. Oligosaccharides linked to protein are called option A glycoproteins, B glycolipids, C galactosidase and option D gangliosides. So the correct option is A glycoproteins. The term glycoprotein is used for proteins that have carbohydrate chains, oligosaccharides, covalently attached to them. So this is very important MCQs. In carbohydrates, a special function group are present in the given following. Option A carboxyl group and others, B hydroxyl group and hydrogen groups, C aldehyde and ketone groups and option D alcohol and carboxyl groups. So the correct option is C aldehyde and ketone groups. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones, meaning that they containing multiple hydroxyl groups and either an aldehyde CHO or ketone carbon and oxygen groups. So which of the following is called table sugar? Option A glucose, B sucrose, C lactose and option D fructose. So the correct option is B sucrose. The sucrose is a most common name for the sugar used in a household for sweetening. It is disaccharide of glucose and fructose. Dear students, this is very important MCQs with respect of galactose. Glucose is dash. Option A, a stereoisomer. B, a structural isomer. C, not an isomer. And correct option is A, a stereoisomer. So glucose and galactose have the same chemical formula C6H12O6 but differ in the arrangement of atom, especially in the fourth carbon atom. They are epimers, a type of stereoisomer. In the formation of a macromolecule, what type of reaction would join two subunits together? Option A, hydrophobic reaction. B, hydrolysis reaction. C, dehydration reaction. And option D, denaturation reaction. So the correct option is C, dehydration reaction. Explanation is, a dehydration reaction or condensation reaction is a process where a molecule of water is removed to form a new bond between two smaller molecules, linking them together to form a larger polymer. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is not a disaccharide unit? Option A, sucrose. B, maltose. C, lactose. And option D, amylase. So the correct option is D, amylase. Sucrose, maltose and lactose are all disaccharides composed of two monosaccharide units. But amylase is an enzyme that breaks down starch, not a sugar molecule. Carbohydrates are option A, polyhydroxyaldehyde and phenol. Option B, polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketones. Option C, polyhydroxyketones and phenol. And option D, polyhydroxyphenol and alcohol. So the correct option is B, polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketones. So explanation is, they contain multiple hydroxyl group, OH group, and a carbonyl group that is either an aldehyde or ketone. The general term for a large molecule made up of many similar subunits of dash. Option A, polymer. B, functional group. C, peptide. And option D, helix. So the correct option is A, polymer. A polymer is a large molecule composed of repeating structural units or monomer joined by covalent bonds. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ एन अल्डोट्रायोज? ऑप्शन ए, डाईहाइड्रोक्सीसीटोन। बी, ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड। सी, राइबोलोज। एंड ऑप्शन डी, एरिथ्रोज। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ बी, ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड। An aldotriose is a 3-carbon sugar with an aldehyde functional group. So dihydroxyacetone is a ketotriose and other have more carbons. Thank you for watching my videos.